The question is teaching your children to be grateful a route towards being content? Gratitude is a very fulfilling way to live. If you wake up every morning and you don't start thinking about all of the things that you don't have, but you start being grateful for what you do have, then it's a very, very fulfilling way to live. And it's something that I recommend everyone to do, is that every day before you go to bed, maybe you just think about 5 things that you're happy doing in life right now. 5 things that make you happy now. 5 things that you don't have to complain about, but things that you're already thankful for. What is your life right now that you can be happy about? So gratitude is a very good thing if you don't fall into the trap of gratitude. And there is a trap of gratitude that very few people talk about. The trap of gratitude is that you thank the one giving you, and then you create a duality within gratitude. I am thankful for everything you have given me. And when you create gratitude into duality, then you create a separation. And that separation creates a suffering. And underneath your gratitude, what you're saying is, I'm looking for anything to cling on to that I can say makes me happy, because in reality I'm crying inside. And that is the type that you see a lot of people doing, that they're struggling inside, but they're externally using gratitude as just positive reinforcement. Every day they're saying some positive affirmations. I am thankful for this, I am thankful for that. If you need to be so thankful in life, maybe you're not very thankful at all. Maybe you're so struggling in life that you need to find anything to be thankful for. So there is a trap. There is a pitfall of gratitude that very few people talk about. So gratitude is a great way towards becoming content if it leads you to contentment. Contentment is the thing that you need to be assessing, whether you're actually content or whether you're really not content at all. That is something that you have to judge within yourself. So gratitude is a great technique, but be aware of what you're being grateful for. Be aware, what is it inside you? Where is that motivation of gratitude coming from?